Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today, like I said the other day, I'm going to show you the Carlo sand blow, which was my last video. I'm going to take the drone and we're going to have a look from a bird eye view. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you in my next vlog. Have a great day.
Many moons ago, the area was known as Back Beach but was renamed Rainbow Beach after the stunning colored sands. The story of how the colored sands came to be named date back to the Aboriginal Dreamtime when a beautiful indigenous maiden, Maraur, fell in love with the rainbow who visited her. Maraur lived on the banks of the Noosa River and would clap her hands and sing to the lovely rainbow when it came visiting each day. One day Burwilla, a terrible and wicked man from a faraway tribe, stole Maraur to be his slave. Burwilla had a killing evil boomerang, larger than the largest tree in the forest and filled with evil spirit. Maraur finally managed to run away and took off along the beach as fast as she could. As Burwilla's boomerang chased her, Maraur cried out for help, falling to the ground, too frightened to run. Suddenly, she heard a loud noise in the sky and Maraur faithful rainbow raced towards her across the sea. The evil-spirited boomerang attacked the brave rainbow and they collided in a loud roar and clap of thunder, killing the boomerang and shattering the rainbow into thousands of tiny pieces. As the rainbow-colored pieces landed on the beach, the sand dunes began to transform into beautiful colored sands they are today.
Located in Rainbow Beach, the Carlo sand blow is a sand mass covering over 15 hectares and part of the Cooloola sand mass, one of the largest accumulations of wind-blown sand found along Queensland's coastline. Named by Captain Cook after one of his deck crew, Carlo, it offers exceptional views of the area that never ceases to take my breath away. From the inland side of the sand blow, you're treated to sweeping views of Cooloola Cove and Tin Can Bay out toward the horizon and mountains jutting up from the earth. It's the perfect spot to sit and watch the sunset. From the coast side of the sand blow are unimpeded views from Double Island Point to Inskip Peninsula and the southern tip of Fraser Island. To the right, the stunning beauty of the colored sands. The shape of the coastline is dramatic and humbling, sharing the sheer size and raw beauty of Queensland's coastline.
That was the view from the Carlo sand blow with the drone and a little bit of history. So thank you for watching. So please subscribe, comment and like, and I will see you on my next video. Have a lovely day. See ya.